Hi, my name is Todd and we're using the Accuquilt Cutter 18. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to cut some layer cakes.
Studio 2
layer cakes. And what I do is I cut my fabric to 23 inches. Now this is important here too as we do the ironing, because we don't want a whole lot of wrinkles in our fabric. Now this here, I cut this morning. This is a 12 by 23 inch piece that I use. Now watch what I do with this. This is how I cut my fabric. I lay my bolts out and I cut my fabric into 23, 24 inches. Then I take and I iron it and I lay it like this. And I put my board right here. That's where I get a little grab. I take and fold this over here on this edge and bring it out a little bit. I put a little bit of a clamp there, and then I come over here to the other side and I put a little clamp right there. Now, here's where we go. We're going to roll this bad boy up. Look at that. I pull the clamp off, then we're going to roll it again, just like that. And you got a little bit of loose edge right here. I come over here, and here, look, I just pull it straight out. And to get this, I do the ironing on the edges. Now what this does is when I start stacking all this fabric, and I'm cutting out 9 at a time.
Say that again.
9 at a time. Now come over here.
9 10.5-inch squares.
Yes, that is layer cakes. And then when you iron the edges here, that way you can get this more accurate and you don't waste any fabric. And now we're ready to roll this bad boy through. So we go like that. All the excess we flip over like this way here, and here we go. This is, what did we say it was, 9?
10.5 inches.
9 10.5-inch pieces, and I don't know how many this is altogether. How many squares?
18, or 9 times. Yeah, 18 pieces at once.
Is that all it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is that all? That's a lot.
Oh, and it comes off like that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
And then this here, we use these. Right here, we got leftovers. Now what we do with these is we cut them like that. And these here we'll use when we're done cutting 10s. Then we'll put these on there and we'll cut a whole bunch of 5s. So watch this. Look at this.
And these will be my string quilts.
Look at that. Put the camera down there. Look at how nice those are. Look at that. How long would it take you to do that by hand? But that's my technique. And actually, if it wasn't for that little template I made, it would be a whole lot longer. Look at that. Look at that stack. I cut that in about, what, 10 minutes.
Wow.
Right there.
And most of the time spent ironing.
Yeah, the biggest part work is ironing. Now here's how I do this. So let me just show you real quick.